we go. This is gonna get interesting. Oh man. I don't think I've ever done one of these attractions before.
I don't think I haven't done one this big. I've done smaller ones.
And it's just started, which is kind of crazy.
90 degrees,
yeah.
Oh, here we go. There we go. There's 90.
Woo! Oh man. That's crazy. Oh man. I can't believe this. Wow, that's awesome. Oh. This is insane.
We are high up.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah, I think we're done. Woo!
That's really fun.
That was a lot of fun. Definitely some good G-forces on that.
Yeah?
Hang time was amazing.
Can't get better than that.
Yeah, hang time was amazing. And the views are great too. I mean, we literally had some of the rides running right past us.
You ever want to see a mountain do a flip? This ride right here.
Yeah.
How was your ride? Sounds great. Go to unbuckle your seat.